there is tremendous amount of change happening around us. And it's only appropriate that when there is so much of change, that some of the practices also need to change. Take the example of transformation in the technology industry and take a look at how much it has transformed. The entire digital transformation as a term has itself evolved over time. So it's only appropriate that when there is so much of change, the profession of coaching also needs to evolve. In fact, when we think about the profession of coaching, there are three important components which we believe will give you additional perspective on how this entire profession is evolving. I call it TPE. The first is about technology that is making a difference. The second is about platforms that are driving scale. And the third is about ecosystems that is bringing in the right level of skill and purpose. What we are planning to do is to bring together these technologies, platforms, and ecosystems. In fact, experts who have established themselves with platforms, technologies, and ecosystems to ensure that we are able to define the future of coaching. Join us for a discussion on where we have come from and where are we headed. If your role is linked to coaching in some way, whether you're an executive coach, whether you're a certifying organization, an internal coach, or a leader who wants to coach, it does not matter. Anything, if you're remotely related to coaching, this is your opportunity to understand where we are headed. I look forward to meeting you in this discussion on the next wave of coaching. See you soon.